History has been made in Caerphilly. For the first time in over a century, the Labour Party have lost an election at either Senedd or Westminster. Thursday's by-election has dominated the Welsh political landscape for the last few weeks, and after Plaid Cymru's big win on Thursday, Lindsay Whittle has been sworn in as an MS. Attention will now turn to the impact it will have on the full Senedd election in May next year. It was fairly clear even before the vote count started that it was a two-horse race between Plaid and Reform UK. And that's exactly the way it turned out, with both parties thousands of votes out in front of Welsh Labour in third. Plaid Cymru ended the night with almost 16,000 votes, with Reform further behind than most thought, with just over 12,000. Labour then in third place, with less than 4,000 votes. Both Reform and Plaid saw this by-election as a chance to kick off their Senedd campaign with a boost, and despite not winning the seat, Llyr Powell of Reform UK will be buoyed by the massive swing in his party's favour, and will target seats across Wales as a real possibility to win. Plaid Cymru, who have traditionally been the number 2 in Caerphilly at recent elections, will also be looking all across Wales as potential targets to win, especially in Labour strongholds across the valleys. In official terms, this by-election hasn't really changed much. One less Labour Senedd Member and one more Plaid Cymru Senedd Member. But the impact could last for some time. Welsh Labour know full well that they have a massive fight on their hands if they want to challenge Plaid and Reform to stay in power. JP Watkins, reporting for Local TV.